Hi class, I'm going to show you guys another example of a polynomial long division problem. Let's set up our long division problem by putting our dividend on the inside in descending order by exponents and inserting any zero coefficients where there are any. 5x to the fourth plus 14x cubed plus, are there any x squares here? No, so I'm going to put 0x squared plus 9x, and there's no constant, so I'm also going to put 0 there. We're also going to put our divisor on the outside and also write that in descending order, and also put 0 coefficients if there are any. There are no 0 coefficients for the divisor, so we're going to continue on. We're going to look at the first term of the dividend and divisor. And I'm going to see what I need to multiply x squared by to get 5x to the fourth. To get 5x to the fourth, I need to multiply x squared by 5x squared. Once I have that value, I'm going to distribute that back into my divisor and write that below. And then 5x squared times 3x is 15x cubed. 5x squared times 1 is 5x squared. After distributing that value back in, we are now going to subtract. And it might be helpful to distribute our negative in that we are subtracting. I have 5x to the fourth minus 5x to the fourth. 14x cubed minus 15x cubed is negative x cubed. 0x squared minus 5x squared is still minus 5x squared. And then we're going to bring it down the next term. Just like how we started, we're going to look at the first terms again. I see negative x cubed and x squared. X squared times what is negative x cubed? X squared times negative x will give me negative x cubed. So I'm going to again distribute that back in and write it below. Negative x times 3x is negative 3x squared. Negative x times 1 is negative x. And just like in the previous row, we're going to subtract. Distribute our negative. Negative 5 plus 3x squared is negative 2x squared. 9x plus x is 10x, and bring down that final term. We're going to do this one last time because we have nothing else to bring down. We're going to look at the first terms, 2x squared and x squared. What do I need to multiply x squared by to get negative 2x? Squared, I need to multiply by negative 2. We're going to distribute that back in. That's negative 2x squared, negative 6x, and negative 2. We're going to subtract and distribute the negative. 10 plus 6x is 16x. 0 plus 2 is 2. And because there's nothing else left to bring down, this is our remainder. To write our remainder, we're going to add that to our quotient up top. We're going to write it as 16x plus 2 over our divisor of x squared plus 3x plus 1. And that is how we do polynomial long division.